Hey gamers! Welcome back to the channel, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest gaming tech. Today, we're looking at a powerhouse that's making waves in the gaming community. The Skytech Nebula Gaming PC desktop. Whether you're a competitive gamer, a content creator, or just someone who wants a top-tier experience, this rig promises it all. But does it really deliver? Let's find out. Before we dive in, remember, if you like what you see today, I've got links in the description for the best deals, so don't miss out. First off, let's talk design. The Nebula is sleek, compact, and that RGB lighting is fully customizable. You can match your gaming mood or sync it with your other peripherals for the ultimate vibe. Inside, we've got some serious firepower. Powered by NVIDIA RTX 4060 graphics card, this PC is ready for 1440p gaming, and even 4K if you dial in those settings just right. Plus, with a Ryzen 5 5600X processor and 16GB of RAM, multitasking between gaming, streaming, and rendering video is a breeze. And when it comes to performance, I tested it on some of the most demanding titles. As you can see, the Nebula handles everything I throw at it. Smooth gameplay, ultra settings, and zero lag. But of course, what's power without cooling? This rig has excellent thermal management, meaning your components stay cool even during those marathon gaming sessions. So, is the Skytech Nebula worth it? For gamers looking for solid performance, future-proofing, and a sleek design that fits any setup, it's a no-brainer. If you're ready to upgrade your gaming experience, I've got the best deals linked down below. Every purchase you make through those links helps support the channel, so thank you in advance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gadget reviews and gaming content. Catch you in the next one, and as always, game on!